Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Language Learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lesson channel. So today we're going to be learning some of the animals names in Sepedi language. So we're going to be looking what are some of the animals called in Sepedi language. So without wasting time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first animal, we have a cow. So what is a cow called in Sepedi? So a cow is called kgomo. A cow is called kgomo. A cow is called kgomo. The second one, we have a sheep. What is a sheep called in Sepedi? So a sheep is called nku. A sheep is called nku. The second one, we have a goat. What is a goat called in Sepedi? So a goat is called pudi. A goat is called pudi. A goat is called pudi in Sepedi. So what is a dog called in Sepedi? So a dog is called mpya. A dog is called mpya. What about a cat? So what is a cat called in Sepedi? So a cat is called katse. A cat is called katse. A cat is called katse in Sepedi. So what about zebra? What is a zebra called in Sepedi language? A zebra is called pitsi. A zebra is called pitsi. So what about a giraffe? What is a giraffe called in Sepedi? So a giraffe is called tuko. A giraffe is called tuko. A giraffe is called tuko. So what do we call a bird? A bird in Sepedi is called nonyana. Nonyana. A bird in Sepedi is called nonyana. So what is a dove called in Sepedi? So a dove is called leeba. A dove is called leeba. A dove is called le. What is a horse? What is a horse? So what is a horse called in Sepedi? A horse is called pere. A horse is called pere. So what is a snake called in Sepedi? So a snake is called noga. A snake is called noga. What is an ostrich called in Sepedi language? So an ostrich is called mpye. An ostrich is called mpye. So what is a mouse or a rat called in Sepedi? So a rat is called legoto. A rat is called legoto. So what is a cockroach called in Sepedi? What is a roach called? A cockroach is called lefele. So the next one, we have a lion. What is a lion called in Sepedi? So a lion in Sepedi is called tau. A lion in Sepedi is called tau. So that's it for our today's video. That's it for